So, hi everyone. So, in this video, we see that different I am taking this video for low confidence people because of I'm also the low confidence person. I don't know what is the reason the low confidence and high confidence. So that is I don't know, but I am learning to build a confidence. I don't know what is the reason to build the confidence. If you build the confidence, yeah, you should speak the everywhere or something that different. Why I'm saying is I'm also on so many interview attending, but I'm speaking now the confidently, but in front of the people, I can't speak the English or the so much of the content. But so in this video, we're gonna discuss about how to build a confidence. So teach me. So if you have any idea for that, build a confidence. So these are the criteria. Some of time by speaking the slowly, it's the confidence. Or in my environment, some people are I saw the person every time they speaking king the confidently. Like in my circle, someone the one of the friends is there. Like he's there every time he's happy, but the some of time he's sad. But we don't know. But when I watch it, he is always happy. I am asking, yeah, why are you always happy for your life or every time you are the smiley face? I am asking my friends. Yeah, he said like yeah, if whatever is happened, it is happened. So don't disturb that. So be happy, enjoy your life. Yeah, these are the kind of information in my friend is said, but I am not thinking about that because of he said, yeah, whatever it is happened, it's ignored that. But in my opinion, guys, if anything, it is happened for that today or something in the better. I'm overthinking. I'm like simply anything happen. Yeah, what is that happen? What is the reason for that? Do I'm done or something? I am overthinking. So these are the happening for me, like guys. So after that, I realized this. So yeah, anything happened, so ignore that. So yeah, the content, but I haven't the content. I'm said to my friend, yeah, I haven't the confidence. So so what I should to need for the video conference. He said, don't think anything. So speak slowly and don't think anything. If anything happens, so ignore that. So you can, one of the friends is said to me. So same thing I'm also said to you guys. So try this. So whatever has happened, so ignore that. So feel good and happy. But I am not he said it's okay. I can understand, but I am not done because of I am trying to like that, but I can't because of I am overthinking a lot. So if you have any idea for that, guys, so please let me in the comment section. I will something think that that try to build a context. So these are the helpful guys. If you some of the comment section, I go to some of the people are also like the low confidence people. There are watch this video. They may be helpful for your comments. So please let me know your comment section for the low confidence, how to build a new confidence like while speaking or something better version for that. So in this video for the low confidence people, like how to build a confidence. So be happy. So if anything happen for, so ignore that. So what is what is that? So try to learn for everything, not everything. So if you interested some of the topics, so try this learning for that. So yeah guys, so in this video we're gonna see for something basics. I'm not teaching any English, but I'm trying to speak the English. So that's all. So if you like this video, so please let me know in the comment section. So so why are you were thinking you are low confidence? So please let me in the comment section. I will see. I will the most pro- I will the most properly. I will reply for the comment. So if you like this video, so please support my channel and share with your friends. We're gonna see next video.